All right, hopefully the stream's a little more stable today. So I'm just looking at the kilobits, seeing if it's working. All right, seems like it's okay. All right. Okay, I'm happy. Whew. Of hot. Trying to think of an idea for this jellyfish ability. One idea is I spawn something that just hovers up and down and then it explodes. It's just hard because I want to make interesting abilities, but also the more interesting it is, the harder it is to use, I feel like, which makes it people won't never use it. Through this, or it's going to be like beams in a circle or something like that. What's up, Salix? I use WebSockets as a fallback, but I use WebRTC as the primary protocol. But if WebRTC doesn't work, I'll always fall back to WebSockets. I think I just want to do like maybe something that a wand does. Cool, yeah. Yeah, it works pretty well. WebSockets are TCP, so they're a little bit higher latency spikes you'll get with WebSockets than you'll get over WebRTC. But now there's web transport too. And web transport is UDP over browser as well, but it's less supported than WebRTC is, so. But I probably will eventually move to something like that. I'm gonna do something like this, I think. What does this return? Attack sequencer? What does this need? Weapon caster. just so hard. Like I'm just thinking of like what's a normal weapon and what's an ability, and I feel like I'm making abilities that are weaker than normal weapons by a lot. Which is no good. Oh, does Bubble Wand not explode? It's a regular staff? Maybe Spore Wand is the first one. Or do all... Oh, this is Slime. Where's Spore? There it is. Actually, who uses this? Let's damage, not count. Where does count? Oh, it's 5. What's up, Jin? Where's the flame book? Fire explosion spell. I hate to say like jellyfish spell. I'd rather just program it into the thing directly. It's just kind of a lot, I feel, I guess. What's this return? Attack sequencer. What's up, Nojuga? Mythfall is like a persistent world online bullet hell game. You can try it though if you go to mythfall.com. There should be a link somewhere. You can check it out. See for yourself. All right, we're just gonna copy this. I'm just trying to think of a way to organize this. Because abilities always have two portions. There's like the portion that carries the projectile to wherever it needs to go. Then there's the actual like event that happens. Or let's just read through this. We have the emitter, which is, this is the explosion arc. And this one doesn't have a sprite, it just has this explosion emitter. And then, where does this get used? And that's a projectile body for this. This is what actually does the damage. And this gets put into a cast self. Why would it be a cast self though? Oh, because it casts self on the projectile that carries. Or really, I'm just getting the weapon config out of that. Okay. Then I'm doing a spell indicator with That's the thing. Okay. Spell indicator, where this is the indicator body for this duration, and then it eventually casts this weapon config with this name. Okay. It's unraveling. Let's do this. I don't want to do an explosion though. Oh, hold on. Yeah, spore wand. This is the explosion sequencer. What do we pass into here? We pass just the projectile, which returns this. But this one returns a sequencer, I think, right? Yeah, text sequencer, okay. I don't need these. I don't think I need this either. This, however, we already have the attack. We just need to build this portion. This is the explosion caster. We do a 0 prepare, and then we already have our sequencer. We want to attach it to the... We actually don't need a caster, do we? We just need a weapon config. We need to attach this explosion config to... We eventually need to go back and parameterize this, but that's the indicator. And that's what we take here, right? Yeah, config weapon. All right, let's delete these. I don't know why I keep using my mouse. Item ability. Ability jellyfish. Oh, we need to pass in. count and radius. I'm not really sure how to scale this yet, so I'm just gonna do blanks. These are all gonna be the same ability. I guess I called it. We'll just rename this one. All right, let's see if this builds. I think I'm gonna change the carry projectile to just be like a little like glowing orb that travels outward though. Maybe sits on your location, I don't know. TBD. Do 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 do. Maybe something like this, probably. Do 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 do. Yeah, we started early today. Before lunch, usually I eat lunch. Now I'm eating breakfast. I mean, this is the same exact thing, except I want it to last longer. Except instead of an indicator spell, it would be like what is this? Yeah, like this is the... I almost want this, but I just want it to float. What do I use this anywhere? I guess not. I want to do a height of function. We'll just take this one. What'd you do yesterday? I just kind of chilled. I worked a little bit and then I watched a lot of TV and then I took a nap and then which is rare for me. I rarely take naps. I do a few other like home task things. It's nothing too exciting. I didn't hear the word outside. I did go, I went out a little bit, but not like, I didn't do anything eventful. I can't play sports yet because my knee's injured. There's no other reason to go outside other than that. I'm still building. That's crazy. There we go. I'm gonna change it. It's like offset. I kind of want this to drift outward, like the jellyfish attack does. I'm trying to think if I have a way to do that though. Let me look at the cannon. Actually, I might spawn it just on where I am. Oops, I closed it. I think that's an interesting counter play. How many do I do? Where's the count? Count 1. Oh, and this one always does 5. Make a 1 mana 0.01 second cooldown spell so I can spam arcane missile. I'll think about it. It's actually crazy this one doesn't have I force it to do 5. Okay. It's in common projectile? No, it's in like ability. This should be its own package, I think. No, it's not in there. Let's go to item. Ability, we'll just go to the jellyfish one. Damage, we'll do, what's the damage set to currently? Three, count 10. All right, we'll do that. Also worked out yesterday. I'm super sore today. Oh. And these builds kill my CPU. Why is the camera lagging? Because my computer's compiling. Just the build. Unfortunately, a lot of my packages are like base packages that make everything recompile, which is bad, but I feel like the duration needs to be longer. I'm surprised this isn't. Projectile base duration. AM5 prices are slowly coming down. Yeah. I actually don't remember what I have. LS CPU. I have a newer CPU. The problem is I don't have a GPU, so all of my stream goes through the CPU. Or I mean, it's the G version, so it's I wish I just bought a better one though. I just wish I bought a better CPU. I'm too cheap sometimes. Oh, here we are. Yeah, so sometimes when I compile it, takes on my cores. I wonder if I can change the compile to only use like most of them, but not all of them. That sounds horrible. I continue my old RTX 2070. Yeah, I don't know. I don't care that much. I have a 1070 in my other computer. Just get an AMD Threadripper, be done with it. Yeah, I should. I just wish I bought a better CPU. I wonder what the shipping cost would be. Yeah, I have a 1070 in my other computer, but I use that for video editing. So I'm not gonna like swap it out. And also I use that one to like, that's my like my Windows computer. Do 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 do. I have a Windows computer to test Mythfall and edit videos with DaVinci Resolve. What's up, man? Let's go. Hello, world. It really seems like it should be shooting further. I bet it's something to do with the projectiles only last 1 second. Let's go back here. Yep, new items for the new dungeon. The new dungeon turned out pretty okay, I think. I don't think it's like my best boss fight, but it's a decent one. It's hard to make really complicated boss fights for early-ish game dungeons. Maybe some guy messaged me back about buying a car. I thought you bought a nice car recently. Didn't you buy like a Porsche or something? Oh, the problem is, hold on. I had a scrappy Porsche like a year ago. Oh, did it break or something? Wait, this is so confusing to me. Why does... All I want is this, actually. Because the staffs carry the projectile already, which I don't want. So our weapon caster, we can get the weapon config out of that. I'm trying to think though, when I do this, yeah, I do config none. Perfect. It just sucks because all of my assets are going to have to rebuild. See, every single dungeon has to rebuild because I changed the common package. I guess I could move these. If I'm going to be working on abilities, maybe it's worth it to just move these to a different package. Look at that maxed CPU usage. Golang limit CPUs in compile. Let's go to our mog make file. Where's assets? Go run. Can I do this? Twitch has defeated uBlock again. Uh-oh. All right, let me look at this while I'm building. It's really hard to tell if... I guess I need to change something. What is this, casters? That's an... Oh, I put these in this package, okay. Let's go ahead and just change this. Then I want to build, I want to see this not spike to 100. I mean, that built really fast, but whatever. Okay, it is working, at least. I'll monitor this on the side. Also, look at the new jellyfish pet. Cute. Okay. No cat pet? There's no cat boss. Cats aren't enemies. Okay, let's think here. Oh yeah, I wanted to do I wanted to make these live longer. Yeah, so the problem is this is only 300 milliseconds. This is just the main challenge of like making a general function that like builds some feature for me is like, then I end up needing to configure it with every single thing. Make cat pets a reward for some kind of task instead through the boss drop. After you defeat a jellyfish boss, you get the pet jellyfish. You get a pet egg. You get a jellyfish egg. And then you can put that in an incubator and turn it into a jellyfish pet. We need to give my pets my house instead of having them take up bank slots. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to remove all of the bank probably and turn it into just housing chests. And then for pets, I'm probably going to make it so you can't put pets inside of gunpowder egg. Oh, the art for that one got messed up. Let me fix that before I forget. Hold on. Sprite. This must be the gunpowder egg. I must have just typed the wrong thing. Why would I do that? It's in item-pet. Oh, pirate. Okay. Good thing I checked my bank. There we go, that's fixed. I think this ability works. Things I don't like. I want the thing to shoot further. But then I need to change the duration. But yeah, I want to do like a pet. I want to do like a pet yard area, and your pets can just roam around. What's the ability meant to be other than just a different fire spell? This is the jellyfish boss ability. Do you have unit test for Mythfall code? Some things I put unit tests in place for, but a lot of it I don't. It's hard because now I'm creating something that scales with magic too, which I don't know if I like. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in casters, I think. Casters. These are old items. Ring of Orbit. I forgot about that one. Dun, 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 dun. Do circle of projectiles. Config weapon, and then we'll pass in the I almost want to pass in this. I'm gonna do 3. Nope, it's still maxing out my CPU. Oh, I think I need to change one other thing. Let me fix the jellyfish thing first, though. I want to go to assets.air. And then here, I want to add the GC flags. All right, let's give that a shot. No, I mean, it's still maxing my CPU out. Unless I only have 4 cores. Threads per core 2, cores per socket 6, sockets 1. So I should have 12. Limit Golang compile to 4 cores. How to limit the number of cores that Golang can compile with. It sucks because everything's about the number of control of a maximum number of CPUs you're used during build. Okay. I tried to run I mean, someone just put exactly what I was using. GC flags equals all equals dash C I don't know if this is gonna work. There's also an environment variable too, so we'll try that next. I mean, it's lower. It's still pretty high. It's like 90%. All right, I'm gonna assume that didn't work. And I'm gonna put, what was the other one? Let's try that. I mean, it's still using like all of my cores. insane. Whatever. Excuse me. All right, let's go to jellyfish. Color, I want to do colors dot U8 blue 3. And then I need to do a shadow on this. I think part of the problem is I'm not passing the projectile in here. But this is getting a height. Oh no, this isn't getting a height function. This one's getting a height function. This one needs a shadow. Shadow. We'll do that. Like offset. Let's see if that helps it. Where do I do this? I want to get this one, I think. Projectile body. There we go, that's centered. Does X has 2 types of attack? No, that's the ability. This is the attack that it's gonna have, I think. Ding, ding, ding. All right, here. I guess I could just grab this. What could this possibly be? Body sprite. I don't understand this thing sometimes. I feel like I'll sit here and wait for my linter to like tell me what the, like suggest what I want, just to make sure it's there, but it never finds it. What I think I need to do here is I just need to make it so that these don't depend on the item, they depend on the item ID. That'd make my compile so much faster. Put that in my notes. I don't remember what the change was. Oh, it shouldn't have this sprite, should it? I don't want these to scale, actually. Maybe the reload. Maybe we just need to reload it. Hold on. Boo, 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 boo. Skip song. All right, just this once. It's still not using the right art. That's crazy. All right, circle of projectiles. All right, this gives me a projectile base. Like I should just be able to change the sprite to this. I don't see why this could not work. Attack circle. Like, I'm not really sure what I'm missing here. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. It's that one. There we go. I'm going to decrease their duration and increase their speed. Speed 150. I guess I had it at 3. We'll do 2. We'll do speed 200. It's just crazy that I have to rebuild all the dungeons just because I changed the items. Right after this commit, I'm gonna go and fix this so it doesn't have to rebuild these every time. Jellyfish pet, jellyfish ability, miniature main items. Oh, we need to do that still. Okay. Holy large. Okay, that's all right. Let's finish the abilities then. I'm just gonna have it scale up by damage, count. That's how I'll scale it. I do like the number 10 for count. I'm trying to think if you have 10 of them though. What's up, Rodrigo? How's it going? $25 damage for the ability. What's up, Vegas Deagle? How's it going, buddy? You'll be happy to see that we're making items today. We'll do 3 and 10. 4 and 8. 5 and 10. How much mana do we use for Pirate Book? $10. Seems really low. We'll do 20 across the board. Let's do a final check on these. I should have picked up all of them. Well, we also need to add it to the recipe, like the library, whatever it's called. The bookbinding station. I should make it like an adhesive resource that you use to put the pages together. Book dancing. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Hold on, why is that happening? Oh, this is the jellyfish book. I think it just has the wrong. A luminous tome. Zero, 1, this should be 2. Yep, jellyfish pet. Welcome to the future. Once this thing lags my computer for long enough, it'll rebuild. Does this. We work on it today. I'm working on new items, and there's a few bug fixes I need to do as well. And there might be a little bit of cleanup that I do as well. Yeah, jellyfish 0, 1, 2. Oh, it might be, I might have a weird name in front of it. Item ability jellyfish 2. No, this should be right. Okay, whatever. Let me just, oh, there, it's fixed now. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, I recognize that axe. Make the projectiles glow. If I do, I'll add it. If I don't, then I'm not gonna add it. Let's see. Yeah, I based the shape off your axe that you drew. But yours was a little bit too large, so I had to shrink it down a bit. If it glowed, yeah. I mean, the Grug one is mostly, what's up, Blood Quinn? The Grug pit being too dark is mostly just a balance problem. Or let me, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'll put it in my notes. I want to fix this other thing first. Let me just go through here. That didn't really help, but I'll keep it, I guess. We got the axe weapon. Finish the drop table. Those abilities. The boots we added. The axe. I moved the eggs over. The horn. That's fine. That's fine. Are you gonna add the second axe I had for you too? Do we have a higher tier axe to play with? I mean, right now I'm going through the game start of game to end of game. So when I get to a biome where when I want to drop an axe and I want a harder one, then I might use it. But if I go and add content at the end of the game, then it just messes up how I balance stuff. I need to balance things from the start to the finish. It's just it's too hard to go back and forth. But yeah, I'll eventually use them maybe. Was it craftable? I just mean in terms of like what tier the item is. Like if I go and add a tier 5 axe, then it's gonna be really unbalanced. All right. Oh yeah, I wanted to fix this other thing now. Yeah, I think I know how to do this. I'm trying to think here. Assets auto. Let's just go to the dungeons right now. Let's do a build here and see. Elwood. When do we expect the update? Probably this week. Yeah, probably this week. I just need to finish this dungeon, finish the drop tables. There's a few other drop tables I want to fix, and then I want to do a little bit of bug fixing from the last patch that people had mentioned in the feedback thread. So I have this channel called Glitch in the Discord, and everybody puts glitches in there. $11. I can look really quick. This isn't the final number, but this one, did this get added already? I don't know. That one I maybe already added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So at least 14. Assets, auto, dungeon. Curators possible. And luckily for you, they're all early on ones. So they're probably not gonna be that hard to get. I don't think I have any in there. Anyways, if you decide to troll me and only add 10 items, I made preventative measures. Uh-oh. What are they? I'm scared. I don't know why it's not finding this. Oh, it's mob. Oh, because this one doesn't exist. Flub rock shard. There were 2 items, super rare, that only a few players have. They are in the collection, but they count towards curator because they're unique items. Oh, so you're gonna go try to get the, like, corrupted heart or something? This one I don't think has item. Then I go to loot, auto loot. So I'm currently sitting at 194 instead of the max, which is supposed to be 489. Oh, I see. That's a lot of items. I'm surprised we have that many. It's kind of crazy, like how much it's ballooned. I guess every time I add a dungeon, I add like almost 10 new items. Oh, corrupted heart is in the collection log. I want to change the name of this. Weapon Club. The Shadow Shuriken and the Bone Key. What is a Bone Key? Is theoretically possible? The max right now is 494 because if we count your 2 unique items and your brother's sword. Oh, he's got the golden sword or something. I'm surprised someone has the bone key because I don't know if I ever dropped that. Or did I? Because how it used to, maybe I did. It used to be that you, in the town, there was portals and you would go into the portal to do a dungeon and the first dungeon would drop the bone key to go to the second dungeon. I don't remember if I ever released it like that. You must have at some point, but I only know one person that has them. Okay. Wait, who though? I'm curious who has it. It's funny because I have these like I have this deprecated item list. TC. I don't even know if he was playing then though. There was like nobody playing when that was the game, I feel like. RP does? I guess RP is pretty low. ID. Like he's got a low account ID. That was back when the demonic Psy was the best in the game, I think. And you got it from like Grug Pit or something like that. There was like 3 dungeons. There was like 3 dungeons. It was Elder Tree Forest, Elfwood Forest, and then Grug Pit, I think, and that's all there was. Let's test my theory now. If I go to item, pet, I should be able to change this. And nothing rebuilds. Cool. Much better. Alright, let's go add the Minotaur ability. I don't know what to do for the Minotaur ability. It could be cool if it spawns an axe that flies around you. Maybe I'll do that. Can I do that? I could probably do that. Or it could just be an axe buff weapon. Sometimes I think 3 is just too much. 1, 2, 3, and then... But I guess that's not that many. It's just so much data. I'm about to start splitting these up into files. Having all the abilities in one file is just too unruly. Elf, Minotaur. I'm pretty sure my first patch was 0.9, 5 to 24. May. Looks like a year ago. Boom, 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 boom. I know I can make projectiles spin around you. It would be kind of cool. You spawn a projectile that just follows around you while you run around. I need to organize these rows better. Oh, it's gonna be higher up. Oh, it's gonna be this one. All right. What were those shackles? The one, it's a new item. New item. It's already done though, so we don't have to investigate it any further. I mean, you already saw there's like 11 new or 12, 14 new weapons or something like that. I should put like number out of number up here. But I'm impatient. I just feel like books take up so much. I guess it's not that big of a deal, but still. That's so nice. It doesn't rebuild every single dungeon now. Perfect. Still takes a little bit of time, but it's faster. Okay. I'm trying to think, do I have projectiles that can orbit layers? Yeah, I think I can spawn. I think I can spawn in a projectile anchored to players, and then I can just have it orbit that. And what you could do is have the book itself visible in the collection log, but then you hover over it, shows the pages you haven't collected. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. There's a little bit of clutter. Ideally, like this would be more of a collection log, I think. So it's like, oh, I do this dungeon to try to get these drops. And that ends up like keying you into specific things, I think, of where things are. This one I might just, it could just work to add tabs or something like that. I don't know. Oh, I need to add these as being craftable. Craftable ability books. Do we have craftables with the horn yet? No. Not yet. I don't know if there will be any on first release. All right, let's see if we can spawn a I made these different IDs, right? Yeah. I'm just trying to think of how I want to model this. I might just make it shoot a... I'm kind of thinking I might just make it shoot like a spinning axe sort of thing. Let's start with that, I think. Do. 200 duration. True. Recalculate duration. No, false. Pierce normal entity, false. Oh no. Hold on. Yeah. But actually, I think that wants to come from... Oh, maybe that's okay, actually. On death, we don't want to have anything, though. Okay, let's go back to this guy now. No explosion radius. Let's see how that does. I already have it. Please tell me I didn't fix the wrong one. Oh, I didn't do this one. Oh, did I fix it? I'm just gonna rebuild. Okay. Should it come back? I need an animation for this. I'm not sure how to do this though. I'm gonna do 16 by 16. I wonder if I can just like do a do I border these? I don't think I border player projectiles. So I just want to see how this looks without spending too much time on it. Bum, bum, bum. Wait a second. Oh, this one's supposed to be here. It's either this or I draw one axe and then I just have it spin. And then I don't have to play an animation. I might just do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Where is his axe? Maybe I just do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to make a new ability for the Minotaur dungeon. I'm gonna do like a spinning axe that shoots out, but it's just gonna be the axe head, I think. Like this. We'll give that a shot. Where's the shirkin? Oh, I guess I can. I don't. It doesn't have animation. Player spinning X. Okay, we'll use this. Oh, I need a color for this, don't I? UA, we'll do like black 5. Well, what does this take? An RGB, I think. Yeah, okay. Hold on, this is open. I need to close this so I'm not lagging. Okay. Let's try this. Oh. I'm gonna add a note to my refactor task. I want to wait, where is it? Oh yeah. Split up assets com package into separate sections based on the files so that com doesn't cause literally everything to rebuild whenever you make a small change. Maybe a little bit too small. There must be like a scale. Sprite scale. We'll up this to 16, I guess. Oh, sprite scale is 1. Let's try that. This will probably have to be a low mana one. See, I changed one thing, every dungeon rebuilds. Because I changed this one common package that everything depends on. It's such a balance between like making things convenient to reference and then also making them fast to reference. Do. Actually, hold on. The hitbox is way too large. I'm gonna reduce it to 13. I'm torn on how to balance this though. I think I'll do 20 mana. I kind of want to make it a lower cooldown. Because it does pierce. I feel like this needs a border. And way more damage. Mm-hmm. 20, 25, 30, and then we'll scale the damage up by 10. And then for the book, we'll do 20 mana with with 60 damage. 60 feels okay. I don't know. I never want abilities to just I don't want to trivialize things. I also want to increase the range that this shoots at. I also had an idea. Where do I want to put this though? For bounce style weps, you can have their duration reset after they bounce off a wall. One Mississippi. Did it not take it? Take my change? Duration. Yeah, I mean, I set it to 1,000 here. Unless I have range set somewhere, which I don't think I do. Maybe it just didn't load. I might have changed it, but not rebuilt it in time. Or I might not have changed it in time to rebuild. There we go. Let me border this thing. Hold on. Oh, actually, it might just mess up the mount point. Ooh. What a weird spin point. Oh, it might not have a mount point. All right, let's try that one more time. It really doesn't seem like it's... Doesn't feel like it's centering. Where's the hats? It's weird, it feels like it's off by 1. Like it needs to mount there or something, or there. What if it's a rounding error? For like odd numbered sprites or something? Eh. It's funny because it's like the same. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want the border to be this dark though. I'm gonna do this color with black. Oh. Let's give that a shot. Dun, 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 dun. That looks better. It's not super blacked out, but it's not as... It needs to go faster. Minotaur. go ahead and do 300 speed. And then I'm gonna drop this to 800, I don't know. I think this was the last item that I had. Minotaur ability. Okay, cool. We need to name these. All right, we have a name. Ability. Severing Tome. I just had a note to think of a description. I'm gonna delete it though. Okay. All right, that's the ability for the Minotaur. Let me push the artwork. Pet god. Oh, okay. Is it not pushing? Oh, I thought I pushed. My bad. Or we'll just do this. Make upgrade. Then we'll make the ability books craftable. A new ability for Minotaur book. Let me just go double check this to make sure I didn't forget anything. We did those, we did this, we did that. Yeah. We did this, we did those three, we did this, those two, and then we did the books as well. All right. That should be all of them. All right, we need to make them craftable though. Library, housing. We have flame book, pirate book, dance book, and then we'll add the jellyfish book. Jellyfish. That works. And then we'll go to I'm gonna copy this one. Elf with Minotaur. All right, let's go double check that these actually do make it craftable. What's up, Palaris? How's it going, buddy? I need to log in my other account. Oops. I don't think this character has a library. This guy does, I think. Wait, where is it? Slime. Pirate? Dancing. Stone. It's weird I have this book. Well, yeah, I have these added. Oh, I haven't discovered them? But I have. Oh, this character has. I discovered them on the other character. That's why they're not showing. All right, we found one at least. Which means they should show up now. I really need to fix that. Okay, there's that one, and then there's the jellyfish one. Perfect. Tough balance of like how much do I want to show people who haven't discovered specific items, because there's a lot of noise if there's a lot of items that you don't care about. I just don't know. Oh wait, we need to do that. We did the craftable part. All right, cool. All right, I have to leave though, so fishing update win. One day. But sorry guys, I gotta leave. But sorry for the short stream today. But thank you all for stopping by. I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Got a little bit done. Some new abilities done. But patch soon, probably this week sometime. But yeah, that'll be it. All right, take care.